Hi guys, how are you? It's Cheerful Yes channel, and today's Saturday night. I wish I can just stay in bed. I'm not the type that likes to go out at night. It's a big job for me to get myself ready for some reason. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I have an 80th birthday party to go to. All white. I finally find a dress that will fit me, so I'm going. So I'm gonna get my makeup done and I'll let you know how it looks. I want to show you how I'm doing my makeup, but I don't think I have time, so I'll let you know. Guys, just me going. Hi. Get in the car.
For Ken, right?
Yes, for Ken. So my butt down.
4132 Park Avenue.
Yes, sir. Hold on. Hi.
Good.
Yes. We're going. Guys, I'll see you there.
So get nice apostolic church. You feel like that's about church over. So but my family papa will I say putting the Christ apostolic and maybe I will be na okay so. Now everyone said, we teacher, now what you show to know. Maybe I will be not in the second I share this. Papa na so actually idea na kudu suwa yo guys approach to the road it doesn't you know papa na so na si ana biya guys approach to so you as I say there be na guys approach central no na ebu wa ose sumu so kire.
Guys, the party's over. I got a free ride from the Bronx, so thank God. I'm going home. Take off my clothes and relax. Take this makeup off. Friday, and I'm making some okra stew. Okra soup stew is like in between. And my husband doesn't know this, but I just wanted to surprise him, make him some okra. So this is my base, my meat. I have smoked turkey, goat, chicken, cow feet. I don't usually make okra stew, but whenever I'm making it, I take my time. I make sure I have all my meats, and then I make it because I want to have every meat in it so that it will taste good, so it'll have flavor, and then I'll enjoy it. So I make it usually like every 3 months. So yeah. So, and I have like salmon mackerel that I'm gonna add to it. So it's gonna be like soup zoo and like okra stew zoo. So I'm gonna have all the kind of meats in it. So yeah, and I have some jollof cooking And I have some jollof cooking right here. So yeah, I'm set for the weekend. Hey guys, how are you? Today's Monday, and I'm sitting on my couch. Um, I can't believe the weekend went so fast. Everything happened so fast. I had a good weekend. My sister-in-law and the husband came over, and it was nice. I made some banku and okra, and it was so good. And I'm sitting here. My son went to school, and I'm here with Lucy, and I was like, hold on, I need to do a pedicure anyway. I always like to do my own pedicure, just so I can save money, because I have, like, the foot soak, so I like to do them while I'm sitting on the couch relaxing. I did my nails yesterday, on Saturday morning, but this was like $45 the gel, and to add a pedicure will probably be an extra $30. So for me to save that $30, I already have my foot soak, and I have this. So I just put the foot soak in my bucket, and then the foot soak in the bucket, and then put the water, and then soak my feet while I'm sitting down watching my YouTube. Right now I'm watching Meme and NJ, and yeah, just relaxing, treating myself. Very soon I'll go pick up my son downstairs. So yeah, I've had a good morning. The weather is so nice here in New York City. So yeah, so I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Alrighty. So guys, this is what I do. This is my bucket, and I have an old towel that I put on the floor, and I have yeah, so my feet is soaking. My feet looks really bad because yeah, I always have dry feet, my toes. My feet is always dry. So the best thing I use is I use the Johnson foot soak, and that really helps. Like, when I use that, and then I scrub it. So I do that once a month, and yeah. So I'll show you how the Johnson foot soak look like. You can get it from Walgreens or Rite Aid. Yeah, Walgreens, Rite Aid, or any drugstore, or the beauty supply store. Yes.